It's big raining outside. That make me remember when I was a little. Once outside is raining, we run outside. We play soccer. It was so fun. After this many years, I still missing that moment. So today we make a video just under the rain. This is just so fun to play martial arts in the water. So now follow me today tutorial. So two move we're gonna to go learning. The first one, 乌龙盘打. So arm circle. Open your arm. So you twist left and right. Sway. 4, 5. This is like the clock. You go 45, 90. 45, 90. Right arm, 1. Left hand, follow up. Sway, left hand for top. And go up. This. Finish. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. And lose your shoulder. Just